Hello there, I'm using today Dan Hodges recipe. Please find the information for this recipe on the description for the video. And we are going to use Arteza paints today. So the colors that we're using are ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, scarlet red, and pale green. And we're going to make an extra color by mixing the red and the yellow. So I have 8 ounces in here, and I'm going to start with white and then orange or yellow, white, yellow, orange, red, ultramarine blue, and pale green. And let me tell you something, this is a challenge that was given to me by Christine Jessic. Please find the information of her channel and website on my classroom. And she told me to use these colors, except I don't think she used the yellow alone on her video, but I want to put it there. She mentioned that she has yellow in there, so but I don't see it on her pour. And this is also a mixture of the yellow of the red, but it was too close together, so I'm gonna put that one aside and let's get started. Whoa, that was not nice. Seems to be chunks of things in the paint. That's not good. See if I can. Maybe I should pick those chunks from there before I continue. Chunk in here. I don't know if it's a bubble. Oh, it seems to be, it was a bubble. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take from the floor because it is very pretty on the floor. And help it flow that way. What I didn't like is that it has chunks, and I don't know if it was the white or what. And it does have chunks, and I hope it dries pretty even though it has those chunks. And maybe I should put some of this in here and in here. I think I'm going to make another cup, a little bit of paint in the cup, and fix that. Orange. Red. Blue and green. And if I look at all like that. Trying to fix that corner. Come on, corner, you can do it. Come on, corner, you can do it. Okay, so